this video, we are going to create this amazing full-stack WhatsApp clone using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Socket.io, Node.js, Firebase, Prisma and Postgres for database, Express, and many more other technologies. We'll also be using tons of reusable components, tons of React hooks, and the industry standard practices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this clone has features like voice call, video call, sending voice messages with audio waveforms just like WhatsApp, online-offline feature, unread messages. You can also send images. You can have message status. So without further ado, let's get started and let me give.
If you want the source code, you can get it by paying 100 Indian rupees. For this, you just have to type the source code in the comment. After that, you will get the QR code within 24 hours in DM. Thank you.
The chat is not selected, you can see that this empty component is here with a WhatsApp animation. Now here we have the unread messages with the time. You can also scroll down the messages. Now you can also see the type of the message, that it's an audio message, this is an image message, this message was sent by us and it was audio, this is text, and this was also read, this was delivered. Now when we click over this, you will see that this will disappear because the message is read, and you can see that this user is online, so online status is there. If we click over here, you can see that offline because this user is offline, and this is the amazing chat UI, just like the WhatsApp. You can do voice calls and video calls from here. You can search the messages. You can send the messages from here, send the emojis. Now let me give you the demo of it. So this is the live time messages. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to shrink the screen and you can see that this user is also online, which is us. Now let's send a message. Hi, send, and you can see that the message was received. And by the way, when you open up the contact and when the messages are loaded, you can see that the messages are automatically scrolled. Let's send an image. This one, and you can see that image was received and it was read. After this, let's video call this user. So you can see that we have this amazing UI here, and whenever a call is received, we have this incoming video call or voice call here. So we can reject the call or accept the call, and when we reject the call is also ended here. Now let's call this from this user, and you can see that we have reject and accept, and as soon as we accept, the video call would be started. So this right here is our video and this is the incoming video. So let's end the call. And you can see that the call was ended on both the sides. Now I will message this user with a different user. So you will be able to see that I'm going to send a message from this user and it will come at the top. It will swap its position. So hi, send, and you can see that it was on top now. Now, as soon as I will read the message, you can see that the message was also read. Now, let's send an audio message to this user. So this is the audio message UI. We have this awesome animation here. We can stop the recording from here or just delete the recording. So I'm going to pause it. And you can see that we have live audio waveforms. And you can also play the audio. Amazing. So now let's send this audio. And you can see that the audio was sent, and we also have the live waveforms here. And you can see that the audio was also received here. Now you can also search the messages. So I'm going to search awesome, and you can see that it's here. If I search for hi, so we have multiple messages. So now I'm going to log out the user, so you can see here that it will change to offline. So it's real time using sockets, log out. And you can see that it was changed to offline. Let's maximize this. Now you can also search for chat from here. So I'm going to search for Megatron, and we have that here. Now you can also search for some new chats, and this is just like WhatsApp, sorted with the first letter. And when we click over this, it will open up the chat. You can also send in emojis. You have multiple emojis just like WhatsApp. Send, and it was sent. Now let's log in with a new user to show you the onboarding process. So I'm going to log in with this new user. Log in with Google. This uses Firebase and it will use your Google account. So now here the name was automatically fetched from your Google account. You can change your profile picture. This is the default profile picture. And when we click over this, a context menu will open. So we have developed this context menu using React. We have not used any library. We can take the photo from our camera, choose from our library, upload a photo or remove the photo to have this default photo. And when we click over this library, we have this awesome 9 avatars. I'm going to select this. And if I click this remove, this will remove the photo. And if I click upload photo, I can select the image from my PC. The profile was created and I'm going to send a message to Kishan. And you can see that the user is online. I'm going to send him a hi, send, and you can see that the message was